A lot of people are afraid of fruit. They either think it'll spike your blood sugar or fruit will make you fat. I used to be there. I thought that I could only have one serving of fruit, have sugar cravings all day, and eventually after dinner time I would cave until I finally decided to experiment with myself. I began incorporating as much fruit as I cared for until I felt completely satiated, and guess what? No blood sugar spikes, better mood, better digestion, just feeling light and elevated and clear and super hydrated. The goal isn't to build a perfect smoothie, even though this one kind of is. The goal is to build a smoothie that you will enjoy drinking today and 10 years from now. People always ask me how I've been able to drink the same green smoothie for the past 10 years. I will tell you, it is not because I'm highly disciplined, it's because it checks the 3 E's. Number 1, it's enjoyable. I absolutely love the taste. I look forward to it. It's my favorite meal of the day. Number 2, it's easy now, which is what we're gonna talk about today, how I prep it easily to make it happen every day as a busy mom, feeding 3 kids, answering emails and texts simultaneously. I have really gotten this down to a science. And number 3, it's effective, which was the starting point. I wanted something that could fill any potential nutritional gaps, especially on a whole food plant-based diet. I wanted to make sure I was getting enough of what I needed to help me feel sustained for the rest of my day. So I could probably actually eat French fries for the rest of the day and feel great. So about once a week, I'll spend just about 10 minutes filling all of these jars. I wake up in the morning, I come out to the kitchen, I'll add some water to the pitcher, and I don't have to think about measuring or which superfoods to include. Prepping your smoothies will make it so much easier to make the healthy choice the easy choice. If you like videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, join the EatMoveRest fam. You'll also find my Instagram handle below and my new fitness YouTube channel. You'll want to head over there for all things move to make sure that you're eating, moving, and resting your best. So I want to look at each individual ingredient. They've all earned their place because they fill a specific need. They have a specific benefit to help you feel nourished all day long. If you guys want this full written recipe, it's in the EatMoveRest app, our monthly and yearly club that you can join if you're looking for, first and foremost, accountability. What we really need is someone to link arms with, hold our hands, walk us through life, because it is not easy. We've got all of our recipes, workout programs designed to take you from point A to point Z to get the results you've been looking for your entire life. There's also a 52% off discount for the yearly plan. It's all linked below. I won't say any more. Let's jump right into the smoothie preps. I'll even share the link below to show you where I got these jars. I'll also link all of the superfoods, the supplements, whatever it is that I add into the jars. Everything is found on my Amazon store. The biggest thing for me is the omega-3 fatty acids. We've got flax seeds, we've got chia seeds. They are super high in fiber, but more importantly, I feel, is their omega-3 benefits. In fact, you could just have 1 tablespoon of flax and get your daily quota of omega-3s. These smoothie jars are 2 servings because I usually split them with the hubs. So the first thing I'll do is add in a tablespoon of flax and chia both. These are gonna be the absolute top 2 best sources for omega-3s in the plant kingdom. Sometimes hemp seeds make their way into the mix as well. Omega-3s are so important for our heart, for our vision, for our brains, literally everything. Today we are getting far too many omega-6s. Omega-6s are found in a lot of the processed, packaged, even restaurant and fast foods. So it's very easy for those to take the lead, and we need to balance it with more omega-3s. So Brazil nuts are notoriously high in selenium. This is something that can be difficult to come by on a plant-based diet if it's not in your multi or whatever supplement you're taking. I supplement it with a whole food. I love that about this. Similar to the chia and flax for omegas, selenium in the Brazil nut, you can get more than 100% in just 1 nut. Selenium, why is it so important? It supports healthy thyroid function, and it also acts as an antioxidant. So free radicals, just daily exposure to our environment, smoke, smog, anything that's going to bog down the system. We need antioxidant-rich foods to fight the free radicals, prevent inflammation and aging. So the more antioxidants, I think, the better. Next up is sea vegetables, dulse specifically, because it's very high in naturally occurring iodine. This is just basically fish food. It smells like fish food. I would not recommend eating it by itself. It smells a little fishy, but when you add it to the smoothie, it's undetectable, and it's another great way to, again, get an otherwise difficult to come by nutrient. Iodine and also other trace minerals. Iodine is, again, gonna help with healthy thyroid function. Again, I prefer to get as many things from Whole Foods as I can. So yeah, I love dulse. It's not as bad as I made it sound, to be honest. Sometimes I will sprinkle it on my salads because it gives it a nice salty flavor too, because it's literally just like straight out of the ocean. It's super good. Next up, this is kind of where I say you get to choose your own adventure, or where I choose my own adventure. I don't usually add these two at the same time. I usually like to alternate. So I'll do either the barley grass juice powder or the spirulina. These are both very concentrated green powders. They're going to amplify the color of your smoothie, and they're gonna help with detoxification, minerals, protein. They're high in iron. I wouldn't say barley grass juice powder and spirulina are direct competitors. They actually can complement each other, so you could technically add both. I just feel like sometimes it gets to being a lot of things added in, which is why I alternate. But if you're wanting to know when to include which one for a specific benefit, barley grass juice powder, it comes from the young barley leaves that are dried and juiced. And so this one's gonna be great for chlorophyll. It's a little bit lower in protein than the spirulina, but it's also gonna have lots of trace minerals, again, that iron, some vitamin C, a lot of vitamin K and potassium. It's a milder tasting green powder. A lot of people like to include it just to amplify their daily intake of greens. Spirulina contains nearly 4 grams of complete protein in just 1 tablespoon. It also is high in antioxidants. It contains phycocyanin. Phycocyanin has been studied for its unique antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Also very high in iron and carotenoids. Carotenoids are great for your eye health. The final staple I add to my smoothies. So this Sun Warrior supplement, which is the Beauty Greens Collagen Booster, I get the unflavored. This one I've been using for maybe about the past 5 years, so kind of halfway into my journey when they introduced this product. I was super excited because I was looking for a way to get collagen into my diet, but it's impossible to consume collagen as a vegan because it only comes from hooves, horns, and hides, which gross, by the way. So instead, rather than eating somebody else's collagen to make your skin glow, it's kind of like eating brain to get smarter. It just doesn't compute to me. So I would rather help my body produce more of its own innate collagen. That's why I take this. It's amazing. Again, optional. I'm just sharing authentically what I'm obsessed with. Lastly, I almost always add a scoop of organic, clean plant protein powder. It makes the smoothie even more enjoyable. It's great if you are an athlete or if you're highly active. I work out every single day right before I eat this smoothie. I feel like it helps with energy, muscle recovery. And honestly, I think it just makes the smoothies taste even better, but it's definitely optional. People ask me all the time why I choose Sun Warrior, and trust me, I have tried them all. 10 years ago and even ongoing, I have trialed so many, but there's either an issue with the taste and texture or the satiety or just the quality in general. And I really love that Sun Warrior's organic. I love the chia hemp goji blend. I like that the ingredients are minimal. And like I said, ultimately it comes down to what's the cleanest that still tastes the best. And I keep coming back to Sun Warrior. Literally, I've been using it since day one. I also use the unflavored Warrior blend. We also keep the chocolate on hand, especially for when we're making nice cream. And I cannot forget to show you this one. So this one has made its way into my pre-workout, which I just use a scoop of this with some frozen banana and blend it up. 1 ingredient, organic pumpkin seed protein powder, and you'll get 20 grams of protein, so that's a great option too. It's just a very easy, efficient way to add a little boost, especially if you are exercising, maybe if you're older, or if you're just struggling throughout the day to cover all of your bases. A protein powder I see no problem with. Again, all of the ingredients are linked below. I do also have a 20% off code for Sun Warrior. Every once in a while, I will boost my smoothies with something else kind of medicinally, whether it be maca for hormonal health or cacao if I'm making a chocolatey blend. I feel like I could just do a superfood masterclass for you guys because superfoods have a very sweet spot in my heart. Rather than filling a medicine cabinet full of medications and pharmaceuticals, I like to keep various superfoods on hand to support my immune system in more natural ways. So if you guys want to have like a little superfood masterclass, let me know in the comments below. If you wanted to really get into the nitty-gritty of it, if you're looking for something to help with stress, ashwagandha would be a great smoothie add-in. Maca, which actually this is Sun Warrior. Maca is great for hormonal health. It helped me with my cycles a lot. Camu, that's really great for vitamin C. We've got acai powder, great antioxidant support. Cacao, ooh, if you want like a really high antioxidant chocolatey treat. It's also got some iron in it. Anyway, I could go on and on. So I actually prepped 9 jars, a little bit more than a week. I'm gonna pop these in the refrigerator to keep them extra fresh. So if you guys want more 3E recipes, ones that are easy, enjoyable, and effective, that's what we've got inside the EatMoveRest app, along with tons more epic content, not just recipes, but meal plans. We've got a 14-day sugar detox, workout programs, mindfulness and meditations, and community, which is always the missing piece. Join the club, you will not regret it. We've already helped thousands of people simplify healthy living with everything in the membership. If you're ready to dive even deeper and have a closer connection with us in a thriving community of wellness warriors, consider joining Thrive Elite. It's our health warrior mastermind. There's a small, intimate group of us. We are learning from each other and we are taking our health to the next level. So it's all linked below, lots to dive into. Until next time, eat, move, rest your best. Bye guys.